completely flat sessions, though it did not start this way, but we've completely fizzled out. For the better part of today's trading session, we've spent the day absolutely flat for the index. So going home at 11,470 thereabouts for the Nifty spot. The breadth within the F&O universe lingered towards the red, and that also came off from the top of the day. We started off much in the positive. Today, the standout theme has really been financials. They've been hands down winners and across categories, not just private banks, but the financials as well at large and across market cap categories as well. So while Bajaj Finance held out by about 4.25%, 36.50 on Bajaj Finance and closing bell. You've also got an ICICI Bank, an Axis, SBI after that GS upgrade. These are all standout performers. And from within the broader universe, Chola Finance with a 4.5% uptake, LIC Housing Finance with an over 8% move, Mahindra Finance with almost a 13% uptake. These have all been standout performers. The comments on the sidelines of the Tata Motors AGM, the fact that they're going to be net debt zero in about 3 years, that's gone down well with the street, about a 5% uptick for Tata Motors. And Adani Enterprises really has been your star performer today. At the high point today was holding up 25%, now goes home with a 20% uptick. That's Adani Enterprises for you. On the flip side though, you've seen some weakness come in for a Shree Cement, for a Tata Steel, a Sun Pharma, L&T with slack in the bid, Infosys and Nestle and Hero MotoCorp as well took a bit of a breather. And from within the liquid universe, there was an MGL which goes home with a 2% cut, a BHEL which is down about 2%, Jindal Steel, JMR Infra and Page which is seeing some profit taking, down about 2.6% on Page as we speak after a few sporadic upticks in the week gone by. So that's pretty much been the construct of the market. Metals definitely as a cluster has taken a bit of a step back, as has been the case with IT. Abha, what else have you been spotting?
It's just the move on some of those mid-caps, Aisha. All cargo logistics closing up at 20%, HEG 16%, Max Financial 12-13%, same with the PNC Infra, and an AFL up 10% as well. Graphite was up 10%. Havells, Indiabulls Housing, Adani Transmission, that's been consistently moving. Ashok Leyland continuing to be in the green today as well. So it was a whole host of these names that really caught my eye this afternoon. Some of the other mid-cap financial names, LIC Housing Finance, Karur Vysya, for example, a couple of those names also, Chola Mandalam, a whole host of them also looking attractive in trade in today's session at least. We also saw otherwise, the heavyweights we've kind of gone through, but I'm just looking at some of the other bigger movers. Max Financial also, in case we didn't mention that, was up about 12%, and Adani Enterprises going home with a gain of about 21% today.